Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use iCloud Mail undo send. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. You know how sometimes you are just writing and composing a mail. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and write a mail as well. And then you simply go ahead and have a mistake somewhere, and then you just mistakenly click on send, right? And what happens is it just instantly just sends, right? And now there's nothing to do. But there is going to be this feature called undo send, which is going to simply not send the mail. I am going to show you exactly how you can enable it as well. So as you can see, it is back. So all you need to do is click on this gear icon, click on settings, and then as you can see, there's a composing tab right over here. And on composing, there's going to be undo send delay. You can simply turn that on, and you can put the delay to be at least 30 seconds. I just like to keep it 30 seconds just to be safe, because what it will do is even after you click on send, it takes 30 seconds to actually go ahead and send the mail. The undo button is going to be there for 30 seconds, which is enough time for you to cancel it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.